Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm happy to be participating in a collab hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. Now, we were challenged with finding a fall item, an expensive or high-end fall item, and then recreating it in the form of a DIY. So I have chosen to do this beautiful, beautiful pillow that you're looking at. If you want to see how I completed it, just keep on watching. This is a dupe from this beautiful pillow I saw on the Pair One website for $39.99, and I just recreated it using colors that go with my own home decor. Picked up this beautiful maple leaf from the Dollarama for a $1.25, but did not want to use the traditional fall colors, so I will give it a dab of paint to bring it up to the colors that are already in my home. Now I'll be using these two Crafters acrylic paint from the Dollarama as well, but I've had them for a very long time. And what I'll be doing here is mixing the blue with just a little bit of the white to get it to the right color shade of blue that I'm looking for. After mixing it to the shade of blue that I was comfortable working with, I started to paint my leaf starting at the stem, and I'll work my way up. I'm actually going to make it into an ombre color, so if need be, I'll add some more blue to the mixture to darken the bottom and lighten it as I work my way to the tip of the leaf. After mixing and adding colors here and there, I am now ready to start making the top portion of the leaf a little lighter as I work the ombre. So I am adding some white paint, and I'll just be using a separate sponge brush, and I'll start to really work that ombre in and work toward the tip. And this is what it looks like so far, my penny pinchers, as I work toward getting that ombre effect. I think it's coming on nicely. What do you guys think? Now that I have the first layer done, I'm going to add some glitter using this fine glitter that I picked up at Walmart a while ago. I'm just going to add it to the paint, mix it in, and start going over the leaf again. I'll be adding some to the blue portion as well as to the white portion, just to add a little sparkle and a little flair. So after adding the glitter to the leaf, I sat it down to dry for 24 hours. You see how glittery that thing is? Now we're ready for a next step, which is to add these gold beads to it. I've had these for a very long time, and if you have it in a different color, don't be afraid to spray paint them gold or to the color of your choice. And I'm just going to add it all the way around the leaf, just like so. And this is what it looks like at the halfway mark, just working my way around. So I just wanted to show you real quickly, and then we're going to continue tracing all the way around. So after tracing the edges, I decided that I wanted to add some in the center as well, so it can look as closely as possible to the actual picture that I'm working from. And here it is, y'all. My leaf is done and done. I think it is absolutely beautiful, all sparkly and shiny. And now we're getting ready to do the final step, which is add it to the pillowcase. I'll be using this white pillowcase from the IKEA. It has an opening for easy stuffing of your pillow. I got 2 of them at the IKEA a while back for $8, and I'll just be putting my leaf on it at an angle, and then we'll glue with the hot glue gun. Now, in order to keep things clean and tidy and so that we don't have a big mess on our hands, I'll be placing this piece of cardboard inside the pillow so that when I glue the leaf down, it does not make a mess onto the other side. And here it is, you guys. The leaf has been securely adhered to the pillow cover. I think it turned out beautifully. So all I'll be doing now is using this pillow that I took from another pillow cover and just inserting it in, and I'll be back with the finished product. And here we are, my beautiful penny pinchers, the finished product. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I just love it sitting between these 2 gold pillows. I just love the shine, the shimmer. I love the texture that the paint gives it. I think it turned out great. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of this DIY. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget that notification bell, that way you're the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my wonderful penny pinchers who are always with me, thank you so much. And until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.